never stops, nor will ever stop. But in its infinite journey, has been keeping tab of every second, of every speck of the entire earth, sky, and netherworld. One of the seven ancient islands of the earth is Jambudweep, Bharatkhand, our India. The western state of India is Maharashtra. This is the tale of the great hero of Maratha dynasty, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and his grand legacy. Around the Arabian Sea and the Sahyadri ranges lies the beautiful state of Maharashtra. The foundation of Maharashtra was initially laid by Satavahan. Thereafter came the Vakataks, under whose reign we find the world-renowned paintings at the Ajanta caves. The Yadavs had made Devanagari as their capital, and Marathi was made Maharashtra's administrative language. With time, rulers kept changing. The state's boundaries kept changing. Maharashtra was also walking on the path of spiritualism. And the center for the same was Lord Vithoba at Pandharpur. By the end of the 13th century, Maharashtra had started witnessing a catastrophic era. Alauddin Khilji, a ruthless ruler, invaded Devgiri. The era of Hindu rulers in Maharashtra had ended. This continued for more than 300 years. At the beginning of the 17th century, Sultan Muhammad Adil Shah of Bijapur ruled most of the region. His tyranny caused immense pain to the Marathas. Majority of vassals were forced to comply with Adil Shah's rule. Shahaji Raje Bhonsle was one such vassal who had control over Shivneri. His wife was Veer Mata Jizabai. When our motherland was on a lookout for a brave and virtuous warrior, Jizabai gave birth to the pride of the Maratha. While he was called Shivba with affection, we all know him as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Jizabai narrated stories of Indian warriors and their glories to Shivaji. Stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata, and other stories of grand warriors. Along with the Maratha land, their pride was also in debt. This caused extreme pain to young Shivaji. At the tender age of 15, Shivaji had already assembled an army of Maratha Mavar and gathered the whole Maratha set. Shivaji took a solemn oath. I, Shivaji Shahji Bhonsle, hereby swear by my mother and motherland that my life's goal is to establish Hindvi Samrajya. And I will do anything to make this happen. Our resolution is Swaraj and only Swaraj. With tilak on forehead, holding grand sword, galloping on horse with extreme strength at the tender age of 15, took over the Torna fort and he hoisted the flag of Hindvi Swaraj, named it Prachandgarh. Afzal Khan, who was the commander of Adil Shah's rule, had reached Pratapgarh to stop Veer Shivaji. Afzal tried to kill Shivaji through deception, but Shivaji was wearing an iron armor inside. Afzal's attempt to kill Shivaji failed. Instead, Shivaji, using tiger claws, removed his guts out. Fear had engulfed the Adil Shah dynasty, and the Mughal emperor in Delhi were equally scared. Shaista Khan, the prime minister of Aurangzeb, had reached Pune to attack Shivaji, but Veer Shivaji cut off his fingers and then looted Mughal treasure in Surat.